Hey guys, this is Scott with Flip and Customize, and today in the shop we have this gem of a four-wheeler. It's a 1987 Kawasaki 185 Bayou two-wheel drive four-wheeler. We picked it up. It's super clean, and I just wanted to go over a real quick how-to on the auto clutch adjustment, or on the auto clutch on these four-wheelers, because there's a lot of videos out there, but nothing on like the old stuff. And I believe this will work on any of the like the Bayou 300s, the 220s and whatnot. So I think it's all done the same way. Don't hold me to it, but I believe so procedure wise. So let me show you how easy it is. We'll get this done fast. And we're on the right-hand side of the four-wheeler. On the right-hand side, on this particular machine, the 87, there's a plastic cover with 2 screws. I believe the 300s have 3 screws that hold it on. Four-wheel drives have a little different setup. This is a two-wheel drive. So take these screws out, I loosen them up, plastic cover comes off. Don't be surprised if it's full of mud in here. So that does happen. Then underneath this cover, whether you had 3 screws or 2 screws, you're gonna see a lock nut with an adjusting screw. So I kind of loosened it ahead of time, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna loosen that lock nut. You're gonna turn this flathead screw to the right until resistance is felt, and then back to the left until resistance is felt. Hold it right there. You don't jam it, but just till resistance is felt, hold it right there, and then snug the lock nut. It's literally as simple as that. But there's not a lot of stuff out there. So again, what you're gonna do is loosen this lock nut. It may be snug. Mine's not, because I loosened it before I started the video. So, and back it out a couple turns so it's not interfering with any of your adjustment. Then we're gonna go ahead, and I have not done this yet, we're gonna turn it until resistance is felt. So here we go. Oh, I gotta loosen my lock nut a little more. There we go, resistance. And now we're gonna counterclockwise until resistance is felt. And stop, so right there. So then we're gonna go ahead and try to do this with one hand. Hold it in that position. Tighten our lock nut back down, sorry guys. With the video, trying to hold it still. And then while holding the screwdriver, you're gonna go ahead and tighten that lock nut up with the wrench. So you're gonna hold the screwdriver in this position and then turn the wrench to tighten it. So therefore you don't have that adjusting screw move on you. So again, it's loosen the lock nut, turn to the right until resistance is felt. You gotta back that lock nut way off so it's not in your way. Then screw it all the way to the left until resistance is felt, so that's counterclockwise. Hold it in that position when you first feel resistance, and then go ahead, hold it, and snug that wrench on the lock nut. And then go ahead, once that's tight, I'll go ahead and do it after the video. Put your cover back on, and you're good to go. Clutches adjustment for another 1,000 miles. All right, guys, it's as simple as that. And like I said, this works on other models as well for the Kawasaki. Honda setup is a little different, so don't use this for those. So this is an older one, it's an 87, but even on the newer ones, the clutch adjustment is the same setup on the two-wheel drive. So if this video helped you, go ahead and please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks again, Flip and Customized.